Hello, my name is Eric White, and we're going to talk about how to clean the inkjet cartridges on an Epson Stylus 440 printer. Are the words on the page dirty and you didn't type them that way? Chances are your print cartridges are dirty. Good news. If you go to the Start button, then click on Printers and Faxes, right-click your printer, then left-click on Properties, go to Printing Preferences, then go to Color, in the Printer Services toolbox, you're going to see Align the print cartridges, Clean the print cartridges, Print a diagnostics page, Print a test page, and Print quality calibration. But the one we're interested in is Clean the print cartridges. Click this button. Your printer will make a lot of weird noises, and then it'll prompt you when it's done. And then no more dirty words on the page.